It's a 2016 Cadillac ATS sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. It comes with great features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sports suspension, Cadillac CUE external memory control, leather bucket seats, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and ultrasonic park assist. Edmunds.com points out, the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first-ever 5-link independent rear setup. Cadillac, second to none. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value